Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to scan documents using AI camera of your Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus. So first of all, we're gonna have to grab any document that we want to scan. For example, this quick start guide for this smartphone. Then we're gonna have to open camera and then position the document in the frame. Just like this, let your camera automatically select the object, and once you see the edges, just tap scan and let your camera detect the scanning element. And as you can see, it automatically cropped the document and scanned it, and we got a perfect scan of this quick start guide. Now save this guide by tapping save, and here we have it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.